All right, kids, it's your Uncle Ed. So check this out. So Mount Tam is over there, Mount Tam High, and this is Mill Valley. Check it out. Look how beautiful. And we're stopping by Michael Jackson. Not that Michael Jackson. Michael W. Jackson. Michael Wayne. Well, let's take a little walk. Look how beautiful these places are. These are all townhomes. And if you notice, yeah, there's a little bit of traffic, but for the most part, it's like this. Like no traffic. You got some units over there. Come walk over here. We're gonna walk in on Michael. See what he's got to say. You see some other units back there. So these are the highway facing units. Got the garage right here. And let's walk up. Let's see what's up. Got a little welcome. Hello, Matt. All right, instantly, I like it. I like the entryway. Let's check it out. Let's see if we can find Michael. A little greeting from a plant. Remember, these are townhomes. So, let's walk up and see what we got. Oh, all right. We got a bathroom right away. Nice. Yes, sir. Little hangout spot you can hide out when it gets too noisy. Love the backyard. Check it out. Nice and serene too, by the way. You can hear the neurons in your brain firing, which is cool. Little breakfast nook. We'll go with the kitchen. All the standard stainless steel. Whirlpool. Come on. All right. By the way, this is the address to Eucalyptus Knoll here in Mill Valley, going for $1,400,000. Nice. Now, okay. So this is the money shot, right? We got a living room, fireplace, and check this out. Boom. One balcony that wraps around. Check it out. Views. Remember I was mentioning to you that there's the street, but you really get no traffic. I've seen very few cars, and I think I hear the man himself. So let's see. There he is. Michael, what's happening, man? Man, what an awesome townhouse. Tell me a little bit about it, man, besides what I've already toured a little bit.
This is a guaranteed playoff football victory.
Okay.
Two doors down, you can throw a rock at it. 4, sold for 1.65.
Wow. Same size unit.
100 square feet.
Different? Nothing. And this is 1.4, right?
Same bedrooms and bathroom.
Man, this is a money shot right there. And that's Mount Tam High, yeah?
And I think this is a superior view than the one on 4 because it's right over here.
Well, you're right here.
Yeah, you're right.
I mean, this is it, folks. See that right there? No, you can't build there.
Guaranteed victory.
Wow. So if any Niners are listening in, if you buy this unit, you're guaranteed all Super Bowls, I believe is what Michael's saying. So, yeah, we're gonna keep it easy and real today, right? So as I was mentioning, I mean, I love the kitchen. Plenty of cabinet space. Nice. All right. And so because it's a townhome, we have 2 floors, which I personally like. But look at this. Okay, ready? I'm going to be quiet for a second. You're going to hear the neurons in my brain firing. Ready? Go. By the way, cars just went by, and I know you didn't hear them because I didn't. I just happened to see the reflection. What's the square footage, Michael?
1940.
1940 for a townhouse. That's pretty big, man. Okay, nice. How many bedrooms?
3 bedroom.
3 bedroom and
3 bath.
Oh, 3. Okay, normally it's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, but now we got 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. Check it out. Ceilings are super high, guys. Look at this skylight. No, this doesn't come with it, but you know what? Everything's negotiable. I like that piece. I would negotiate for it to stay here. Nice carpet. Okay, master bedroom. You see, guys? See what I'm saying? Look at this. Wow, it's beautiful. And come on. Really? I know you want to have coffee every morning here. That's a given. Let's see what we got for a bathroom. Okay, nice. Walk-in closet. It's got all built-in units already. Marble. Yours truly, cameo appearance, Ed Diaz. All right, tub. I love it. Shower. Ah, you thought there was no shower, huh? Because they hid it right there. They tucked it. Okay, cabinet space. Ah, crawl space and a little bit more of a nook. Guess what? You can turn this into a master what? Ready? Wine cellar. That'd be my idea. All right, guys. So Michael's here Saturday, today, and Sunday. I know you're all watching the Niners game, but get over here real quick and then go back. Peace.